American test pilot. That's a popular test pilot, American test pilot, Bob Hoover. He's the test pilot. One day, he went for test run about F1, MiG kind of things, like F1 war flights kind of thing. He went for just doing testing kind of thing. Just in the air only, 2 engines got failed. In the air itself, 2 engines got failed. But luckily, the very experienced person, okay, crash landed happened, but nothing happened to this person. But okay, that costly aircraft damaged. What is the reason for this is? What is the reason? Reason for that was the mechanic who did the maintenance for that aircraft. He did a small mistake. Fuel, instead of gasoline, he filled jet fuel. By mistake. Instead of gasoline, he filled jet fuel. Something like if our car is the petrol, by mistake, we fill with the diesel. The same kind of thing happened. Then this person landed, okay, crash landed happened. The mechanic starts shivering like anything, because his mistake only. Damage. Then the Bob Hoover, what that person used the word is, once he landed and then approached that person. Okay, he used one wonderful word. One wonderful word. Okay, so if you are in the Bob Hoover position, usually what you are going to do?
Right,
like,
sir.
Yeah, Kanonda try mechanic gun. My life may be gone because of this bloody person's mistake. Okay, like definitely you are going to get left and right. But the Bob Hoover, what he did is, okay, what he did is to show you, I'm sure you will never do this again. I want you to service my aeroplane tomorrow. Okay, I'm sure you're never going to do this mistake again. You are the correct person to service my aeroplane tomorrow. This is a wonderful statement you use. Observe carefully. Definitely, next time, that person is going to take care of that.
Definitely.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
He's shivering, crying. That person, his hand, he kept on his shoulder saying, okay, I'm sure you're never going to do this mistake again. You are the right person. You are the right person. You are the right person to, okay, repair, to maintain my aeroplane tomorrow. This is the statement he used. With the scolding, with the criticism, what will happen? What is the use?
Temporary certificate.
This person told, then his life may be gone. The mechanic may be aware what the blunder mistake he did. Definitely next time you won't do that mistake again, I'm sure. So this is the, observe very carefully, man. The one sentence, this one sentence changed everything. Instead of destroying mechanic confidence, okay, Hoover showed trust. The mechanic never forgot that lesson. Trust changes people more than punishment. Trust changes people more than punishment. Forgiveness builds loyalty. Forgiveness builds loyalty. Loyalty, that is the most important. Forgiveness builds loyalty. Next time, the mechanic is always going to see John Hoover as God only, I'm sure. Okay?